Hello guys, it's me again, Ammar, and I'm back with another video. This video is gonna be about unboxing this Xbox Series X. And we all know that it has 16GB of GDDR6 memory, and it has a custom Zen 2 processor, which is an 8-core processor. So the main feature of this Xbox, it can run games at 4K up to 120Hz, as well dynamic resolution of 8K. So we're gonna unbox it together and we'll see it together. But for the performance and the gameplay and stuff, I will leave it to a separate video because I just received this unit. So yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, so that was the quick unboxing of the Xbox Series X. Maybe in the next few days I will try to run it on a 4K 120Hz TV, the LG one. So stay tuned for that video and I'll see you guys on the next one.